Hello friends! I bet you're enjoying the sun and warmth of this spring. Let us hope that this spring will bring us more joy and certainty. For what I know, there's a lot to see what is new in power semiconductors industry. II-VI Incorporated, a leader in wide bandgap compound semiconductors, announced that it has expanded its silicon carbide wafer finishing manufacturing footprint in China to serve the largest worldwide market for electric vehicles and for clean energy applications. Spurred by increasing regulatory requirements for lower emissions of greenhouse gases and the decreasing cost of lithium-ion batteries, the market for EVs is growing rapidly and driving the demand for power electronics that are based on silicon carbide, a wide bandgap material that increases the driving range of EVs by about 10% on a single charge, compared with power electronics based on silicon. To meet the market demand in Asia, II-VI has established a back-end processing line for conductive SiC substrates in over 50,000 square feet of new cleanroom space at II-VI Asia Regional Headquarters in Fuzhou, China. Building on its experience of high-performance, high-reliability devices for voltages above 3.3 kV, Hitachi ABB Power Grids has expanded its product portfolio by introducing a family of 1200-volt power modules to complement the existing 1700-volt family, starting with a 1200-volt 900 amps double module using an upgraded LoPak module package. Read more about it in the upcoming May issue of Borders Power Systems. IT Hyderabad, Minister of Electronics and IT, and NXP India have joined hands to announce the launch of the first semiconductor startup incubation and acceleration program. The program aims to locate, facilitate, and mentor semiconductor and IP design startups in India in both technological as well as business aspects. NXP India is among the biggest R&D centers for NXP semiconductors and a world leader in secure connectivity solutions for embedded applications. TSMC's chip fabrication plant in the province of Tainan sector experienced a power outage. This facility is responsible for fabricating semiconductors on the 12nm and high process nodes, with its output primarily used to supply chips destined for automotive uses. It comes as the global automotive industry is dealing with a semiconductor supply crisis, and initial unofficial estimates suggest that the damage could amount to millions of US dollars. Due to the outage, Taiwanese industry sources expect that the damage to TSMC's output can reach millions of US dollars. While the company is yet to officially provide an update about the damage, up to 30,000 wafers are expected to be impacted due to the power breakdown. Implementing bidirectional power flow capability in onboard chargers has an impact on the choice of topology and power semiconductor technology for designers. The complete chipset, including sense, supply, and control, also needs to be considered to ensure the best possible system solution. This presentation looks at the regulations that are currently being considered for the bidirectional operation of onboard chargers in hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fuel cell electric vehicles. It provides an overview of bidirectional capabilities in the market today and the trends in the near to mid-future. Attendees will learn about the different bidirectional topologies used in onboard chargers. They will also understand which power semiconductor technologies are appropriate for each topology and discover the various complementary devices such as gate drivers and microcontrollers that feature in chipsets for electromobility applications. Join Infineon's webinar on April 22. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. Next week, I'll bring you more power semiconductor news. Be sure to tune in on Tuesday. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Cycle website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.